In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set external share links in Zoho WorkDrive. We'll walk through enabling external sharing for your team, then creating a secure link to share a specific file or folder with people outside your organization. Make sure you're signed in to Zoho WorkDrive on the web and that you have the necessary admin permissions to access the admin console. Start in WorkDrive and look to the bottom left corner for the admin console. Open it. Then go to Settings and choose Sharing. This is where you control whether your team can share content beyond your organization. Turn on the option that allows files and folders to be shared outside the team. Next, enable sharing via external share links. With these two switches on, your team can generate links that work for recipients who don't have a WorkDrive account. While you're here, consider tightening security. If you want every external link to require a password, turn on Enforce Password. This is a great safeguard for sensitive documents because it ensures only people with both the link and the password can view the content. You can also set a default expiration period for links, such as 7 days, 30 days, or a custom duration. Expirations reduce the risk of old links lingering indefinitely. Remember, these are defaults. They help standardize security, but can typically be adjusted when you create individual links. When you're satisfied with the settings, save your changes. Now return to WorkDrive and select the file or folder you want to share externally. Click the Share icon in the top action bar, or right-click the item and choose Share, then New External Share Link. In the Share dialog, under Who Can Access, click New External Share Link to open the link configuration panel. Review the link settings. If you enabled password enforcement or a default expiration, those will appear here. You can confirm or modify them as needed for this specific item. Depending on your organization's policies, you may also see options to restrict downloads or limit access. When everything looks good, click Create to generate the link. Finally, click Copy to place the link on your clipboard and share it with your external recipients via email, chat, or your preferred communication tool. If you're using a password, send it through a separate message for security. A quick tip: test the link in a private browser window to verify that it behaves exactly as intended for external viewers. That's it. You've enabled external sharing, created a secure link, and shared it with the right people, all from within Zoho WorkDrive.